It was a simple trespassing call until he took a hostage.
What's up? Come on. Hooks
Wait, why don't you
I'll go over here and put my dog.
dog up?
Look, hey, come on.
What are you doing with your dog?
I was getting ready to chain him up.
He doesn't need to go on a chain. He needs to go back in that room.
What do you mean? You go out and use the bathroom.
I was just asked to stay here while a friend went to work because people were stealing some of their stuff.
What's going on?
Hey, lady, why don't you come out here?
What do you want?
They're investigating something? I don't
We
know.
got told that people were on abandoned property or vacant property.
Come out like I told you to.
I am. I had to put my shoe on. This ain't vacant. The guy right here in front owns it. Come here, watch.
I got you. I got you. Okay. Hi, puppy.
Here, I'll go get the owner.
Okay.
You walk over there.
He's had major surgery 2 days ago.
I mean, you guys are on private property. You guys ain't supposed to be up here. Yeah, the owner lives here. Yeah, look his name up, Joey. He owns it.
What's your name?
Joey.
What's your name?
Why you
What?
my name?
'Cause right now you guys are on what's a nuisance property in the city of Dayton.
But it's not a nuisance. The guy right here owns it.
There's no, it doesn't matter. You can own a nuisance property. There's no power. There's no water. And you guys are living in a shed.
Nah, he fixed it. They're getting ready.
No, there's no power.
You can't tell us they remodeling?
Huh?
They've been remodeling it.
Oh, really? Is that why the roof's half coming off?
That's for them they just now put that there.
Yeah. So here's the deal. You're going to start giving us your info or you're going to go to jail and your dog's going to get locked up in the pound and you won't get it back.
What have I done, buddy? What have I done?
I told you, you're trespassing on a nuisance property.
Nobody ever told us we were trespassing though.
Oh, okay.
Nobody ever
Hey,
told us
don't get back here.
I'm going to get the owner.
Get.
Oh, I thought he was in there.
He's not in there, David.
He's right here.
Hey, if you don't get back here, you're gonna go to jail for obstructing. You think I'll put it?
We got a white male in a red hoodie running with a pit bull.
Dude, I'm gonna end up shooting your dog, and I don't want to do that.
What are you guys doing here?
I just told you, I had a friend ask me to stay
What's your
here.
name?
Am I being arrested for something?
You're about to be if you do the
Okay.
same bull.
I'm not running. I'm not running. I'm
Okay, so just tell me your name and we'll get
No,
through
I
this.
will not tell you my name. I don't need to tell you my name.
All
I
right.
didn't do anything wrong.
Turn around, put your hands on your back.
You don't need to be rough with me.
I'm not. I asked you for your name and you're acting like a dick
I'm not
because you got
acting like a
warrants and
dick.
you want to be
No,
all
no.
playing games and nonsense.
Get back!
I didn't do anything wrong. Period. I haven't. You have no. I mean, you.
Dispatch, shots fired at our location. Sit down.
I can't. I have medical issues. I cannot.
If I come back here, you both are going to prison. I swear to
I
God.
just had major surgery 3 days
I don't
ago.
care. Both you need to leave. Both you need to leave.
That's fine.
If I go over there and my partner's hurt, you're both going to prison. Okay, we'll find out, lady. Sure, where you at?
I'm good. I'm out by Valley Street. Shots were fired at the dog. We're okay. Watch out, Josh!
Do not back up. You good?
Yeah, I don't know if he made it to the road or not. He ran around the corner, I came around the corner, and the dog was loose. It came at me.
Suspect's gonna be a white male, 5'5", facial tattoos, red hoodie and gym sweats. Guys sitting towards Valley before he set the dog loose on my partner.
Might be around that corner.
Some dude come running in here?
No.
Yeah, there's a dude that was running from us with a pit bull and set it loose on my partner. I just want to make sure nobody came in your door.
Guy ran from me, ran down the alley. He cut this way. When I came around the corner, dogs loose came at me, so I put a couple rounds in front of it. It's back over here.
That dog's up there somewhere. It came back at me off the leash, so he ran from Tarul with his dog, and then he set the dog on Tarul trying to get away. That's going to be the dog. We need IDs on both of them. She's failure to ID.
What's that?
She was failure to ID right when Tarul started shooting at the dogs. I don't know what her issue is. So they were back in this building. There's nobody in this house. I guess they were all in the nuisance, got nuisanced out, and the neighbor called and said they'd move back here. We need to clear the house, that back shed thing.
But I never saw the guy across the street. I don't know, maybe he went in this building.
That's where dude was, and one of the females and the dog. What are you doing? I don't think that's a window, buddy. I think that's a wall with some glass hanging on it.
Here to stabilize it on the point.
Attaboy.
That dog was right with him, so if he dropped it here, I'm gonna assume he's in this building. How's it going, man? Hey, I'm Officer Troll, Dayton Police Department. Sorry to scare you guys. Were either of these doors unlocked in the garage? We're wondering if this guy's in your garage.
No, I don't think so.
You have keys?
Yeah, there ain't no.
Alright, man, step back, sir. We'll check down. Dayton PD, if you're in here, make yourself known. What about the other side?
That's not locked.
Can we take the other side now?
My nephew's gone. He's not there.
Okay.
So these are your... Yeah, two of them. There's one casing. I don't know where the other casing is yet. But I never saw him get to the roadway, which is why I wondered if he went in here. They opened up that side. They didn't open up this side for us to see. They said...
Separated wall.
They're separated, yeah.
Why is he hanging myself?
I don't know.
He's going here.
In here, isn't he? I told you he's in this freaking thing. 140. This guy back here is now claiming he has a hostage in the garage. A hostage in the garage.
What the f?
We got two windows.
Yeah, and one more on this side. There's a divider from the other side of the garage, like a wall. So it's just this half. Guy inside's claiming he doesn't have a key. But that guy that told us didn't have a key is the one that's saying he's in here with a hostage.
Who told you this information?
The guy in the white jacket in yes, that guy right there.
Hey, excuse me. This is Larry. He lives at that house with the little...
Oh, everybody said Larry lives back there.
No, he doesn't. But his girlfriend's in there and she has seizures and he wanted me to go in and check on her.
Okay, well you can't right now because there's a dude in there causing all kinds of drama. So just hang out here. I'll let you know when you can. We're doing our best to figure that out.
This guy's saying, well, like I said, when I came around the corner, the dog was at the corner of the garage. Like, it didn't keep running with him, which I thought was weird. We checked that side of the garage. It's got a divider. Now this guy's saying he's in this side with a hostage. What accident? Dude that was just wearing white talking Sarge.
Individuals in the garage and 18 out. Step out now. Individuals inside the garage, I need you to step out the front door now.
Wish I had my rifle right now, but it's in the car.
Individuals inside the garage.
Here it comes. Doors moving. Hey, handles moving.
Hands! Show me your hands!
Somebody else just shut the door. There's at least two in there.
We are not going away.
This sucks.
Yeah, it does. Step out.
Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here!
This way.
This way. Sure. Come back. Okay, come on.
Turn around! Face away from me!
Okay, come on. I'm happy to step back here.
Keep walking! Keep walking! Keep walking! Go down to your knees!
All right, step back behind the car.
I got the door.
Okay, I will clear. You got him?
Yes.
All right, you ready? Go first.
Who else is in there?
Nobody, sir. There ain't nobody in there.
Are you okay?
No! He wouldn't let me out! He ran into my house!
Was there anybody else? Okay, calm down, honey. Calm down.
Deep breath.
Larry's on his way.
He wouldn't let me out!
Calm down.
Up here. Yes, sir.
Hey, bring me a cruiser to put her in.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna have to step back here with me, okay, hon? We'll get you checked out.
You're all right, no pain. You're okay.
We got him. We got him. I'm gonna sit over here and sit in the cruiser for a second, get you out of the limelight, okay? It's okay. Did he hurt you?
No! He wouldn't let me leave! He came running in, and I thought it was my boyfriend home.
So he just came running in?
Yes, and locked the door, and he's like, be quiet, be quiet. I'm like, why, what's wrong? And oh, you guys out here? And I'm like, you need to go, I don't know why you came here.
Do you know who he is?
Yeah, he's a friend of ours. And Marlis got held hostage in my own place, and Larry wasn't home. Yeah, let me call you back there right here.
And you live in the garage?
Yes, we stay. It's like converted into an apartment.
He does not live there, correct?
No, he don't live there. I was in there laying down watching the movie,
Okay.
and I thought my boyfriend came home because I heard the door like fly open and slam, and I was about to say, babe, what's wrong? He had run in and slammed the door and locked it, and I'm like, what's wrong? And then I heard a gunshot, and I'm like, what the f was that? What's going on? He's like, shut up now. I'm like, why? He's like, somebody called and said that we were all homeless down there. And then he said that I need to be quiet, not to go nowhere. And I texted my brother-in-law and everything. I'm like, I'm scared, get me out of here. And he's like, help me. And he's like, you're not leaving. I'm like, I am, get me out of here. I'm like, don't, just go out there. He kept saying no.
Hey, sweetheart. What I want you to do is I want you to drink a little bit of this first and take a breath. Okay.
I've never been.
I know, sweetheart. It's a lot. You keep that, okay? It's for you. Can I just leave you in the car for a minute? I want you to relax, be by yourself, get your breath, okay? I'm gonna shut the door because I don't want to get you wet, okay?
Okay.
Just give us a few minutes. We'll come right back, okay?
Okay.
All right, sweetheart.
All right, thank
And make
you.
sure you drink some of that water and calm down, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna have you walk with me to this other vehicle. We're gonna sit in that one, okay?
Okay, which one?
This one right here.
Is he gone?
He's in another crew. He will not be anywhere near you, I promise, okay? Do you know the name of the guy that came?
I know who we call him Shorty, but I think his name might be David or something like that. I'm not 100% sure.
You're okay. In a couple, just keep resting for a few minutes, okay? Just take some deep breaths, relax, and at some point I'll come back to you and I'll give you something to do. Just write down what happened so you don't have to explain it 100 times, okay?
Okay.
Is she good?
She might be going into shock, but she's...
Do we need a medic out here?
We asked her. She said no, but she's still shaking.
Hi, how you doing? I'm gonna get a medic to come out here and look at you just to make sure you're okay.
Who has the dog? Do they finally get the dog?
I will need a second medic to talk to a victim who is potentially going into shock.
We good to cut now?
Yeah,
Good to go.
The female who wouldn't provide her identification was charged with trespassing, obstructing, and refusal to disclose personal information, and is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. The male suspect who fled and took the hostage, David, was originally charged with felonious assault, aggravated menacing kidnapping, aggravated burglary, inducing panic refusal to disclose personal information, obstructing, resisting, and cruelty to animals. He was later indicted on different charges, those being trespassing in a habitation, aggravated burglary, causing physical harm, felony kidnapping, obstructing, and resisting. He took a plea deal, pleading guilty to the trespassing charge and the obstructing charge while all other charges were dismissed. He was sentenced to 5 years of probation and released back into the public.
How about now? You're still wired in?
You were told that if new investors
How
came
much
along...
were your shares diluted? How much were his?
What was Mr. Zuckerberg's ownership share diluted down to?
It wasn't.
And what was your ownership share diluted down to?
0.03%.
That scene from Social Network reminded me of something policing teaches you pretty quick. Some people get so focused on saving themselves, winning the moment, avoiding consequences, they stop caring who gets hurt in the process. And that's exactly what stood out here. Once he realized he might get caught, friendship stopped mattering, that woman's safety stopped mattering, everything became about him. You start realizing after enough years around situations like this, panic has a way of making people think about one thing only, themselves. The scary part is how quickly somebody can justify betraying the very people who trusted them 5 minutes earlier. Even that moment with the dog says a lot. Officers are trained to stop threats quickly, but that officer still showed restraint and gave that animal a chance to run instead of ending it right there. Meanwhile, the suspect was willing to use everybody around him like a shield just to avoid accountability. And once somebody reaches that point, relationships stop feeling human anymore, they start feeling useful.